How to send audio file on Instagram. Let's start this tutorial by launching the Instagram app on your device. Next, log in to your Instagram account. Then next, tap the message icon at the top. Now, select the person that you want to send the audio file. When you're inside the chat box of that person, then you have the option to record a voice message, then send it to that person. But for now, we want to send an audio file that is already recorded instead of recording it live. To do that, first, you need to upload the audio file to another platform, which you can create a link for it. An example of this is by using the Google Drive. Open the Google Drive on your device, then tap the plus sign icon to upload a new file. Tap the Browse option. Then next, select the audio file that you want to send. Now wait for it to finish uploading. Then after that, click the three dots icon beside the audio file. Then select the Manage Access. Under the General Access, change it to anyone with the link so that other people can access the audio file. Once you're done with that, copy the link of that audio file. Then go back to your Instagram. Then locate the person you want to send the file and simply paste the copied Google Drive link and then send it. When they click the link that you sent them, they can access the audio file. That's it.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.